Okay. Okay, hello students. Today is another class for you. I think all of you very fine. Last time I told you to remember the two formulas was mean for direct method, which you already learned about in class 9, 10 also I review it with some problem, and I already explained the problem of shortcut method, what do you call assume mean method, where you use deviations. Now here also, and provisional mean. Here also you do the deviation and provisional mean both, but when the things are very large data you are received, that time if you go for the step deviation method, it's easy for you to solve. Okay, so please try to understand the step deviation method. In exam time, they can make to compel to write, to mention in the question, solve by step deviation. So we have to do that. Otherwise, if whatever is the value, large or small, it is for me is a very convenient portion for step deviation. So please come and learn together. Look at here. Suppose first you have to choose a class interval. Clear? After the class interval, you have to find out what? What I learned last time? Mid value. Yes, mid value. Mid value. And mid value denoted by xi. After that, you have to learn, have to write that deviations, is not it? Deviation. Deviations is, here you change the symbol, otherwise you will be confused with di is a step deviation for assume mean method. Here step deviation ui for step deviation method and di for shortcut method. So ui is the formula of xi minus a by h. Now the question is, from where you get a is also you know already know a, we can get middlemost value of mid value, and h is the size of the class, size of class interval, size of class interval. Like h is a difference between, we can say, lower limit and upper limit, or we can say upper limit minus lower limit. That's the difference is h, and that should be throughout the class, all class interval has to be same, and that we consider as common h. Understood? Yes or no? Write little clearly, you can remember it. So that is xi minus a by h. Then after that you write frequency a phi. Then you make the product. You can make product. Okay. Then after the product, you have grouped them. Say you have to add all this sigma a phi, and you have to add all the product, that is a phi into ui. If I give the dot also here, no problem, same meaning as multiplications. Then you have to add sigma a phi into ui. Then after that apply the formula of mean by step deviation. X bar is equal to a plus, see, same formula, sigma a phi ui. That time you wrote di. Now sigma a phi, that's same. After that, one new inclusion is for step deviation, multiply by h. That is the main inclusion for product, step deviation method, in case of step deviation method mean. Clear? Now we'll come to some examples. With the example, you will understand more. Clear? So for example, I make little bigger numbers, like say here 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, and 600 to 700. Okay? Try to understand. And here frequency maybe, you have to find the mid value. What is the mid value here? I told you lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So 200 plus 300 by 2. So it's 500 by 2. How much? If you cancel it, you will get 250. Now what is the difference between these two? 100, 100, 100, all difference. So what is the h to be count here? 100. So here h will be here 100. Do you follow me? So now, if I add 100, you will get here 350. See, our time is saved. If we add 100, it's 450. It's 550. is 650. Understood? Now we come to the frequencies. What do you call? Deviations. First you choose A. A you have to choose. What is a middlemost value? 1, 2, 1, 2. There is a middlemost value. E. Now you follow this. Look at here. Xi minus A by H means Xi is this one. All are Xi. But A is particularly this. So 250 minus 450 by H is how much here? 100. So it is how much? Minus 200 by 100. Cancel it. It is minus 2. Like here. 350 minus 450. 450 always fixed. A is fixed. Xi is changing. So it is minus 100 by 100 equal to 0, 0 cancel minus 1. Then here 450 minus 450 by 100. Then it will be 0 by 100 equal to 0. Then here 550, that is Xi, again A minus 450, see 450 is fixed, by 100. It will be 100 by 100 equal to 1. And it is 650 minus 450 by 100. It will be 200 by 100. It will be 2. Clear? Now, if you do like this, this is also taking time. Now, you will be telling, it's better. You can go for the direct method is much time saved. No, this is also time saved. I'll show you how to find. But look at, you know the number now, no? This 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, you know. Now I'll show you the idea how I can do directly. I'll show you the idea. Love everything. Remember, no? All the values, the last values. I hope you remember. Yes. Now look at here how I do the idea of very, very unique. Where is A? You just come to the same column, put 0. And look at the value is reduced, no? So you reduce by every time. Whatever the question it may be in step deviations, if you reduce, it will always 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. Not more than that, okay? So it is minus 1, minus 2. Up there negative, down there positive. 1, 2. See, we got it. If sake of say, you have to show how you are getting, only one we can show for the, and what do you call, please to the teacher. Like that, yes, you know the idea. 250 minus 450 by 100. So it is minus 200 by 100. So it's minus 2. So that way we can show, and the rest you know how you have to write. Where is A? Put 0. And what is negative? What is positive? There. So always count next to next number, counting number, binary number type. Not binary exactly. Minus 1, minus 2 is 1, 2. Clear? Now supposing I write the frequency here. It's frequencies, say 35, 64. Then it is say 75. It may be 30. It may be 21, like that. So it's the frequency. It's a big number. If you go for the direct method, this into this, it will take time. Now how it is unique, you look at here. With the number 2 with digit 1 is very easy. Now it's minus 70, 35 into 2, 64 minus 64, this 0, then 30, and it is 42. So add the plus 1, add the minus 1, add the plus 1. Minus how much it is to be? 4, minus 134, and here plus 2, 72. Now both are different sign means subtract. So sigma A phi into Ui, it will be, the minus value comes because bigger number is minus, subtract it, 262 comes, okay. Then add the frequencies, sigma A phi, what is that? Then 5, 6, 4, 5 and 6, 6 over 10, 5, 15, 1 in hand, 3, 3, 6, 6 and 7, 13, 13 and 6, 19, and 19 and 3, 22. So got the value. Now we put the value here. What is A? 450. 450 plus sigma A phi Ui. What is sigma? Minus 62 by sigma A phi is 225. And it is multiplied with 100 because H is 100 here. We already consider H is 100. Now with cancellation you can do. Say 5, 4s are 20, 5, 5, 25, 5, 2s are 10, 0. Again you can do by 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 4s are 20. Yes or no? So, if you cancel, cancel. Otherwise, just keep it 450 plus minus minus multiply. 4 2s are 8. 4 6 are 24 by 9. You what my suggestion, instead of taking LCM, for my suggestions, you divide and subtract. Much convenient. So, it is 450. If I divide it, how much? 9 3s are 20, so 9 2s are 18. If 9 2s are 18, you can do divide here also. So, look at here. 2 4 8 9. 9 2s are 18, no? How much remainder? 6 8 68. 9 7s are 63. Then 5 remainder. 5 0 50. 9 5s are 45. So, again 5 0 5 is 45. If you look at here, the same thing you will get. So, 9 2s are 18. 6 is remainder. Then 8. 9 7s are 63. 5 remainder 0.0. 9 5s are 45. Again 5 0. Keep on 5 5 5. You can write here 5 6 approximately. Now subtract it. How much subtractions will come? So it's 4 4 422.44. If they mix here nothing, so you can keep like this. If they are having marks, you write marks. If they are having height in centimeter, you can write centimeter. If you write weight in kg, you have to write kg. If you write rupees, you have to write here rupees. Depend on the questions what you have to write in the answers. So this is the way we can solve by mean in step deviation method. Understood? So we discuss all the three methods. Direct method last class and assessment method this class. I will explain step deviation method. Now I come to the another average idea of median. Okay? Understood? Median. Median, always you have to remember, we need a what we call continuous class interval. Continuous class interval. For example, it should be 10 to 20, 20 to 30 like that. It has to be continuations. If not, we cannot do the median and mode. Okay? So we have to solve median with a continuous class interval. Clear? Please remember. And what we will do here, median. Look at here. We need what do we need? We need continuous class interval and we need cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? Frequency should be added, then you will get it. Like for example, if you have 2, 4, 6, the first one is same. The second one 2 plus 4, 6. Then again 6 plus 6, 12. That way if you add the numbers, it's called increasing option of cumulative frequency. CF denoted by cumulative frequency. Okay? Cumulative frequency. Okay? Cumulative frequency, you add it. Sometimes some cumulative frequency is called less than method. Okay? The less than method means small to big. Its cumulative frequency is, it is denoted less than cumulative frequency. So less than means small number to big number. Okay? That's called less than. If it is more than cumulative frequency, more than, how it will be more than? The big number to small number, big to small. Like for example, they are given the total value you have to write here, say suppose here 12, then 6, then 2, like that, big to small. That time you have to add the total first, or you write here, like for example, like this, no? So you have to write here, say 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 12, like that. You can do like this also, okay? Understand or not? So 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. Or you can do like this, 12, no? First is 12 right here. Then 12 minus, you can start from here, na? This 6, 4, 10, like that. So this is actually not a cumulative frequency. If you write here 3 is a frequency, then it will be 6 plus 3, yes. 3 plus 6, it will be 9. That is cumulative frequency. So it is 9 you can write here. 9 minus, that is, see, how much? 2. 2 plus 4, 6. Then 6 plus 3, 9. This is a frequency range and is a cumulative frequency. You can start from here also. 9, 6, 2. So 9 is here. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. That way also you can able to write. Do you follow me? That way also you can able to write. From this side also. But if you write the more than method, the 9 has to be first. Then how much it have to be right? Tell me. 9 minus, total 9 will be 10. 9, then 9 minus 2, 7. Okay. 9 minus 2, 7. And 7 minus 4, 3. See, this has to be same. In more than method, last value same, and in less than method, first value will be same. Frequency and complexity. That has to be noticed. Okay. I repeat, less than, small to big, but first value, first this is a frequency and this is CF. Like here, it is also CF for more than. Okay. So that time the total you can write 9 minus 2, 7, 7 minus 4, 3. See, same thing. Do you follow me? Or you can start from this 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. That way also you can write. Okay. So this is the way of less than and more than cumulative frequency has to be right. Now I will show you the table, and next class I will explain the problem. So first you have to write a class interval. Then you have to write no mid value. Here is the frequency. Okay. Then you have to write what? Cumulative frequency. It's a less than. It has to be less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency to be favored. Class interval. Then what you will do? You have to first the median class. Suppose the total frequency is n. Okay. N is suppose 50. So you have to find n by 2. N by 2 where median class falls on. Okay. So that means suppose median class is here, say 20 to 30 like that. So you have to take it lower limit L. You have to take L for lower limit of median class. Clear? Then what you have to do? You have to take this is the frequency range. If frequency of median class, then there is a cumulative frequency range. You have to take the before one. Try to understand. So you have to take CF, but that is cumulative frequency CF preceding the median class. But before, where the median class falls on, you have to take just before one, that cumulative frequency. And you have to take H. H is the width of size of class interval or width of class interval, size of class interval. That is H. H means you have to know width or size of class interval. Understand? Now we come to the formula. Okay. This part you understand already. I rubbed this part. After doing this, you have to come to the formula of median. Okay, you can write in short median, MED, L plus n by 2. That is n by 2, where the value median class falls on. Without this, we cannot find the median class. And if you cannot find median class, you cannot get L. Lower limit you cannot find. Okay. Then minus CF by frequency. Only that much by. Okay, not the all. Into H. That is not comes under L. Mind it. This is separate. So this is the formula of median. If you want to write the full form, you can write median. Okay. You can write the median. Clear? So in that way, if you apply the formula, you can get the answer of median. So what I repeat again, class interval, frequency, cumulative frequency should be less than, small to big. Then the H, the size of the class you have to know. First you have to know total. The highest cumulative frequency, this value and this value will be coincide, same value. The highest cumulative frequency and total number of frequencies are same. That is called sigma A phi. You can say sigma A phi, that also same meaning. So these are the value are coincide, same value, and that divided by 2, you will get where the number falls on between which two class interval. That class interval you have to consider. As soon as you know the class interval, you can find the L. After getting L, you have to know the frequency on the same class interval and CF2 just before 1, preceding 1. Okay. What you have to take? You have to take the preceding one. Okay. In that way we can able to formulate. Clear? You have to take the preceding one is D, preceding the class interval and width of the size of class interval for H. So this is the formula of median. Okay. So next class I will explain with the problem.